Today we are at the Galle Fort. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Prasing. This is Stroll.
Today we're going to spend an entire day at the Galle Fort.
This is definitely one of our favorite spots in Sri Lanka. We really enjoy the architecture, the colonial buildings, the cobblestone streets, and that chill coastal vibe.
Alright, first stop, coffee and gelato.
We got gelato and a matcha latte, and honestly, this is the kind of breakfast I don't mind at all.
This is something I would risk sneezing for, even if I had a cold, which I do.
So after fueling up a bit, we came out to explore the streets. Walking through these streets in the fort feels like stepping back in time. The mix of Dutch colonial architecture, old wooden doors, and boutique cafes gives this place so much character.
We've reached the famous ramparts of the fort. Look at this view. Here you can see the old cannons that were used to defend the fort. Being next to them really makes you appreciate the history this place has.
Every corner seems like a perfect place for a photo. You could easily spend hours wandering around. We came across a street fair called the Saturday Good Market, and the vibe here is so lively. Local vendors selling handmade crafts, jewelry, natural products, paintings. It feels very community driven and creative.
Okay, we're getting hungry, so we're heading to Kixi Cafe for lunch. This place has such a cozy, relaxed vibe. We instantly loved it. Here's what we ordered: crispy chicken strips, a rich shakshuka, creamy pasta, and we added a burger a little later too. After lunch, we're back in the streets. The afternoon light hits the buildings differently. It's warmer, softer. We're just slowly walking, no rush, just soaking in the atmosphere.
Before sunset, we stopped at a cafe called Clippenburg, which is tucked right under the ramparts.
Sitting here under the old fort walls with the ocean breeze coming through, it's such a unique experience. We're back on the ramparts after enjoying that tasty watermelon. This is the perfect way to end the day. The wind, the sound of the waves, the golden light hitting the old fort walls. It's honestly magical. If you're visiting the Galle Fort, spending a full day here is a must. Come early, explore slowly, eat good food, and stay for the sunset. It's more than just a historic site, it's an experience.
If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe for more content like this.
See you in the next one. Bye bye.